Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, connect to printer. Windows cannot connect to the printer with error code. First find shared printer name and IP address. Type printer installed system IP address. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Devices and Printers. Click Add a printer. The printer that I want is not listed. Check Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Create a new port, click Next. Printer installed system IP address and printer name. Click Windows Update. Select manufacturer name and printer's name. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.